Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a practical kitchen essential that can elevate your cooking game, the TFA La Crosse Technology 38.1028.10 puck kitchen timer in a sleek anthracite and black finish. We found this product online, and you can check the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the TFA La Crosse puck kitchen timer? This innovative timer is designed to help you keep track of your cooking times with precision and style. Its unique puck shape is not only visually appealing but also incredibly functional, making it a great addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this timer is its stainless steel frame. This not only lends it a contemporary look that will fit seamlessly into modern kitchens, but it also ensures durability. The stainless steel construction is resistant to wear and tear, making it a reliable companion for your cooking adventures. Another highlight is the color dial, which allows you to set the timer with just a simple turn. This intuitive design means you can quickly adjust the time to suit your cooking needs, whether you're baking cookies or simmering a sauce. The clear, easy-to-read display ensures that you can see the remaining time at a glance, even from a distance. Now, who is this timer suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys cooking, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this timer can be an excellent tool to help you manage your cooking tasks more effectively. It's also perfect for busy families who need to juggle multiple dishes at once, or for anyone who appreciates the finer details that can make a meal truly special. Let's talk about practical use cases. Imagine you're preparing a multi-course dinner. You can use the TFA La Crosse kitchen timer to keep track of the various cooking times, ensuring that each dish is cooked to perfection and ready to serve at the same time. Or perhaps you're baking a cake and need to time the baking process precisely. The timer will help you avoid overbaking, which can be a common pitfall for many home bakers. Additionally, this timer is great for more than just cooking. If you're someone who enjoys brewing tea or coffee, you can use it to steep your beverages for just the right amount of time. Even if you're in a hurry and need to set a quick reminder for other tasks around the house, this timer can be your go-to solution. In summary, the TFA La Crosse Technology 38.1028.10 puck kitchen timer combines style, durability, and functionality, making it a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. Whether you're preparing a family meal or experimenting with new recipes, this timer is here to help you stay